Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing and authorizing the WhatsApp Sender extension, and you do this now so the tool can access WhatsApp Web. Once done, log into WhatsApp Web with your phone and make sure your phone stays online. Otherwise, messages will queue. Next, open the extension and set a default sender profile. This determines the label and message footers. Then import a short test list of contacts so you can validate delivery before sending to large lists. Now you compose your message templates and include variables such as first name so each recipient sees a personalized text. Preview a few contacts to confirm replacements. Then configure sending parameters, set a safe send rate, daily caps, and schedule windows to mimic natural behavior and reduce risk of blocks. Make sure to map CSV columns to the extension fields, phone number, name, and any custom fields, and validate a small batch of 10-20 test rows to catch formatting errors early. You should run a pilot send to a small group and actively monitor delivery and read receipts. This confirms template behavior and timing. Once satisfied, scale gradually and export results so you can track successes and failures, correct phone formats or remove block numbers and retry failed sends. If sending abruptly stops, re-authenticate WhatsApp Web, refresh the browser, and clear extension cache. This resolves most session or token issues. Finally, adjust pace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.